Hey people, considering I like to always speak about happy science, that particular this Japanese group. So there is this whole thing of there is this movie called uh, Immortal Hero, which is based on the life of Master Ryoho Okawa. That is, he is the Japanese healer and thinker, and it's about how he overcame his illness to become the internationally best-selling author. So really people, it's called Immortal Hero, but it is a Japanese film. But for those of y'all who aren't even aware of Master Ryoho Okawa, you can just type Ryoho Okawa on Amazon and see the number of books he's written, and he's on the New York Times bestseller list. Like, he's an author in the Guinness Book of World Records for having been featured on the New York Times bestseller list so many times, and he has the maximum number of books published in his name from an author, from a single author. And that's what is 2,500 books as of some time now. It must have increased, I'm sure, but really. So this gentleman, his name is Master Ryoho Okawa, and his the movie based on his life is called Immortal Hero, but you all should know about him, Master Ryoho Okawa. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.